and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a test ride of my Java, which was much awaited from a long time. I sincerely apologize for all my viewers that it took a very long time because of some personal commitments and some technical problems with my action camera. So this is my bike, and which is almost 1 year old, and it has done more than 3,000 kilometers. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. The seats are very comfortable. Suspension is a bit stiffer, but still I would say it's fine, depending upon your weight and height. You may adjust the suspension. I fired the engine. It doesn't vibrate at all. You can see the mirror here. No vibrations at all. It's a pretty simple bike, but it is very reliable. No vibrations you can see in the mirror, and the speedometer is in 3,100 kilometers done, as you can see. Now let's start. Initially I will go a little bit slower, and slowly I will pick up the speed. Alright, let's go. I'm picking up speed now. Now doing 40 kilometers per hour. I'm going 50 now. I'm riding uphill, so that's why it feels a bit slower, but it's pretty smooth and well planted. It's an uphill road, but the bike can easily pull up in the third gear as well. So there is a lot of torque at the top end. Although it's a 6-speed transmission, which is similar to the Mahindra Mojo engine, but it's very torquey and smooth. As you can see, I'm doing 40 kilometers, 50 kilometers per hour now. The road is almost empty. It's a typical weekend morning, and I'm going downhill now. It's a very steep slope. The brakes are very nice. I mean, it's a Biber brake, and it holds the bike very nicely without any problem. As you can see, I'm going downhill. The brakes work very nicely, no problem whatsoever. I'm going to take a U-turn from here. That was a Harley Davidson. Now I'm going uphill in the third gear. No problem at all. It has a balancer shaft in the engine that balances the torque while you are at high gears, and allows you to ride in city traffic without much problem. I am doing 60 kilometers now. No problem at all. No problem whatsoever. I'm in the top gear now. It's 70 kilometers per hour without any problems. No problem at all. 80 kilometers per hour. No vibrations whatsoever. As you can see in the mirror, there is no vibrations at all. The bike is very smooth, well planted, and runs very nicely. Overall, I would say it feels more like a British motorcycle, but the engine sounds like a single cylinder Japanese motorcycle. That's how it is designed. So uh, it has it has both the worlds. It has smoothness, it has reliability, it has that classic British retro feel, and it sounds very nice. No problem at all. And the speedometer, you can see it takes some time to get used to it because it moves this way. It moves in the reverse direction, so it takes some time to get used to it. So if you are 6 feet tall, you can easily see the speedometer. Handlebars are very wide, very comfortable for long rides, but you can also use this bike for city driving as well, because the foot pegs, as you can see, are at normal position. It is not a front set foot peg, or it's not a back set foot peg like a sports bike. It's in the middle basically, so you can easily use it for city traffic, no problem at all. Now I'm going to take a U-turn from here. There's a beautiful landscape you can see right in front of you, and you can see those bungalow over there. I don't know whom it belongs to, but there is a classic car parked inside. You can ride it in top gear, you can ride it in low gear as well without any problem, and this bike runs pretty smooth. I love it. I am absolutely a big fan of Mahindra Java, and the way they have designed their product. Now they have launched this product in Europe and UK markets, and I hope that this bike will be very popular in those markets. I'm hoping that very soon they will launch a 500cc variant of the same bike, and I will be the first one to buy it. So, what do you think about this bike? Do let me know in the comment, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and do subscribe my channel and let me know how I can do it better. And that's all for the day. Have a wonderful weekend ahead. Bye bye.